Ah, the sweet symphony of Siam, an ode to banana roti. The sizzle of hot oil, the rhythmic clang of metal spatulas, and the sweet aroma of caramelized bananas. These are the sensory hallmarks of Bangkok's bustling street food scene, where the star of the show is undoubtedly the banana roti. A symphony of flavors and textures, banana roti is more than just a dessert. It's a cultural icon, a beloved treat that embodies the vibrant spirit of Thailand. From bustling marketplaces to quiet street corners, the ubiquitous banana roti carts draw crowds with their mesmerizing displays of culinary artistry. So join us as we embark on a delicious journey to uncover the secrets behind this tantalizing treat. Now let's dive into a culinary canvas, the art of banana roti making. The seemingly simple act of making banana roti is, in fact, a delicate art form, passed down through generations of street vendors. Each vendor has their own unique techniques and secret ingredients, adding their personal touch to this beloved treat. From the precise way the dough is stretched and folded to the perfect balance of sweetness and richness, every step in the process contributes to the final masterpiece. Moving on to more than just a dessert, banana roti's cultural significance. Banana roti is more than just a dessert. It's a symbol of Thai hospitality and a reflection of the country's rich cultural heritage. Often shared amongst friends and family, it represents a sense of community and togetherness. The ubiquitous presence of banana roti carts on every street corner is a testament to its popularity and its integral role in Thai daily life. It's a sweet treat that brings people together, fostering a sense of connection and shared enjoyment. Finally, woven into the cultural fabric, banana roti's place in Thai society. Banana roti is deeply ingrained in the cultural fabric of Thailand, particularly in Bangkok, where it has become a symbol of the city's vibrant street food scene. It's not just a dessert, it's a way of life, a daily ritual enjoyed by people from all walks of life. From early morning commuters grabbing a quick bite to families sharing a sweet treat after dinner, banana roti is an integral part of the Thai experience. Ah, banana roti. It's often enjoyed as a communal treat shared amongst friends and family. You know, it's more than just a snack. It's a symbol of togetherness and a way to strengthen bonds. The act of sharing a banana roti, especially when it's a large one, creates this wonderful sense of camaraderie and shared experience. It's a simple gesture, yet it speaks volumes about the importance of connection in Thai culture. Banana roti is, well, a ubiquitous presence in Bangkok. You can find it on almost every street corner, from the bustling markets to those quiet residential areas. Its availability throughout the city makes it such a convenient and accessible treat for everyone. It's a symbol of Bangkok's vibrant street food culture and the city's ability to blend tradition with modernity. Really, it's a constant reminder of the delicious surprises that await around every corner. The story of banana roti is honestly a fascinating journey through culinary history. It traces its roots back to the Indian subcontinent. While the exact origins are shrouded in a bit of mystery, it's widely believed that roti, the flatbread that forms the base of this delectable treat, originated in India. Over the centuries, this simple flatbread has traveled across borders, adapting and evolving as it encountered different cultures and culinary traditions. This culinary migration has resulted in a rich tapestry of roti variations, each with its own unique characteristics and flavors. Now we're diving into the fascinating world of culinary transformation. From roti canai to banana roti, this journey is a captivating example of how food adapts and evolves. It's believed that the influence of Muslim traders and immigrants was key in introducing roti to Thailand. These culinary pioneers brought with them their traditions and recipes, which slowly but surely fused with local Thai ingredients and flavors. This fusion, my friends, resulted in a uniquely Thai version of roti. Isn't it amazing how food travels and transforms? Let's talk about the rise of a street food icon, shall we? Banana roti's journey to fame is a true testament to its deliciousness, affordability, and accessibility. Starting as a humble street food snack, it has grown into a culinary icon, a symbol of Bangkok's vibrant and dynamic street food scene. Its popularity has spread not just throughout the country but beyond, captivating the taste buds of both locals and tourists. And you know, the affordability of banana roti has played a crucial role in its widespread appeal. Quite the journey, don't you think? Now let's get to the foundation of flavor, the art of roti dough. The journey to banana roti perfection starts with the dough, a seemingly simple mixture that forms the very base of this beloved treat. But let me tell you, this isn't just any dough. It's a testament to the culinary artistry of Thai street vendors, a carefully crafted blend of flour, water, and just a touch of oil. The magic here lies not in the ingredients themselves, but in the skillful hands that transform them into a thin, pliable canvas, ready to embrace the sweet filling within. Making roti dough is truly a delicate dance between precision and intuition. Fascinating, isn't it? Section 2. The heart of the roti: selecting the perfect bananas. You see, the heart of any great banana roti lies in the bananas themselves. These aren't just any bananas. They are carefully selected for their sweetness, ripeness, and ability to hold their shape during cooking. The vendor's discerning eye knows just which bananas will caramelize to perfection, adding a rich, creamy texture and a burst of tropical sweetness to the roti. This selection process, folks, is a testament to the importance of quality ingredients in Thai cuisine. Now, let's move on to Section 3, the sweet embrace: condensed milk and sugar. This section is all about transforming a simple dish into a decadent treat that tantalizes the taste buds. The final touch, the sweet embrace of condensed milk and sugar, elevates the banana roti to a level of pure indulgence. It's this combination that turns an ordinary snack into an extraordinary dessert experience. These two simple ingredients, when combined with the caramelized bananas and crispy roti, create a symphony of flavors and textures that is simply divine. The harmony between the creamy milk and the crunchy sugar is a delight for the senses. The condensed milk adds a creamy richness and an extra layer of sweetness, enveloping the roti in a luscious coat that melts in your mouth, while the sugar provides a delightful crunch and a final burst of sugary bliss. This contrast in texture is what makes each bite so satisfying and memorable. The condensed milk, a staple in Thai desserts, is drizzled generously over the warm roti, ensuring every inch is covered. This generous drizzle not only enhances the flavor, but also adds a beautiful glossy finish to the dish, making it as visually appealing as it is delicious. Finally, we arrive at Section 4, the dance of creation: mastering the roti flip. This is where the magic truly happens, where the art of street food comes alive in a symphony of movement and flavor. The culmination of all these carefully orchestrated steps is the roti flip, a mesmerizing display of culinary skill that transforms the simple ingredients into a finished masterpiece. It's a moment where precision meets artistry, and the vendor becomes a performer on a stage of sizzling heat. With a flick of the wrist and a clang of the spatula, the vendor expertly folds the roti, encasing the sweet banana filling within its crispy embrace. Each fold is deliberate, ensuring the filling is perfectly sealed, ready to delight the taste buds. This final act of creation is a testament to years of practice and a deep understanding of the dough's properties. It's a dance of intuition and skill, where the vendor's hands move with a rhythm honed over countless repetitions, each roti a unique expression of their craft. Venturing into the bustling heart of Bangkok's street food scene, you're enveloped by the sizzling symphony of woks and the tantalizing aromas of countless culinary creations. Amidst this vibrant tapestry of flavors, the banana roti vendors hold a special place, their carts becoming stages for a captivating culinary performance. These roti masters, guardians of a time-honored tradition, generously share glimpses into their craft, offering whispers of wisdom that have been passed down through generations. Meeting Uncle Somchai, a seasoned roti vendor with decades of experience, is like stepping into a living culinary textbook. The sizzle of the griddle, the rhythmic clang of the spatula, and the sweet aroma of caramelizing bananas, these are the sensory cues that guide the roti master in their culinary dance. Timing and temperature, two crucial elements in the roti-making process, are not merely scientific measurements, but intuitive senses honed through years of experience. It's a delicate balance, a rhythmic interplay between heat and ingredient that determines the ultimate success of the roti. The temperature of the griddle, the stage upon which the roti transforms, is a critical factor in achieving the perfect balance of crispy and chewy. The alchemy of flavor in banana roti lies in the delicate balance of sweetness and texture, a culinary art that requires precision and creativity. It's a harmonious interplay of contrasting elements that tantalize the taste buds, creating a delightful experience with every bite. The sweetness of the ripe bananas, naturally enhanced by their ripeness, brings a fruity essence to the dish, while the creamy richness of the condensed milk adds a luscious layer of indulgence, and the crispiness of the roti provides a satisfying crunch that contrasts beautifully with the soft bananas. The subtle saltiness of the dough, a crucial element that enhances the overall flavor profile. These flavors come together in a symphony of taste, each note playing its part in a culinary masterpiece. It's a dish that is both comforting and exciting, offering a familiar warmth with an adventurous twist. The sweetness of the bananas, intensified by the caramelization process, is the dominant flavor. A rich and deep taste that lingers on the palate, a burst of tropical sunshine that sets the stage for the other ingredients, inviting you to savor each component. This sweetness is balanced by the subtle saltiness of the dough, ensuring that each bite is perfectly seasoned and utterly satisfying. Section 4. Beyond the banana, creative roti variations. While the classic banana roti remains a beloved favorite, the creative spirit of Thai street food vendors has given rise to a plethora of exciting variations. These innovative adaptations showcase the versatility of roti as a culinary canvas, a blank slate upon which vendors can express their artistic flair and cater to a diverse range of palates. From savory to sweet, from traditional to modern, the possibilities are endless. The chocolate roti, a decadent twist on the classic, swaps the condensed milk for a generous drizzle of melted chocolate. Section 1. Gathering your ingredients, a culinary treasure hunt. Embarking on the journey of crafting your own banana roti at home is like setting off on a culinary treasure hunt. The ingredients, simple yet essential, are the building blocks of this sweet symphony, each playing a vital role in the final masterpiece. Gathering these culinary gems is the first step in transforming your kitchen into a bustling Bangkok street food stall filled with the tantalizing aromas of caramelizing bananas and sizzling roti. Begin your quest with the foundation of the roti the dough. Section 2. The dance of dough, stretching and shaping your roti. With your ingredients assembled, the next stage of your roti-making adventure begins, the dance of dough. This is where the true artistry of roti making comes to life, where simple ingredients are transformed into thin, pliable sheets of culinary potential. This process, a delicate balance of precision and intuition, requires patience and a gentle touch, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Begin by combining the flour, water, and oil in a mixing bowl, bringing them together with your hands until a smooth, elastic dough is formed. Alright folks, here we are at Section 3. Flipping to perfection. With your roti dough stretched thin and ready, the final act of creation begins, flipping to perfection. This is where, the sizzle of the griddle, the sweet aroma of caramelizing bananas, and the rhythmic clang of the spatula come together in a culinary symphony. It's the moment where your roti transforms from a simple sheet of dough into a golden brown parcel of sweet, caramelized goodness. So go ahead and heat a lightly oiled griddle or large skillet over medium heat. The enduring appeal of banana roti lies in its simple yet satisfying nature. It's really a testament to the power of humble ingredients transformed into a culinary masterpiece. It's a dish that transcends generations, evoking childhood memories and creating new ones with every bite. The crispy, chewy texture of the roti, the sweet caramelized bananas, and the creamy richness of the condensed milk. These elements come together to create a symphony of flavors and textures that is simply irresistible. From bustling street corners to quiet family gatherings, banana roti has become an integral part of Thai culture, symbolizing community and shared enjoyment. Banana roti is more than just a delicious dessert. It's a cultural icon, a symbol of Bangkok's vibrant street food scene. It represents the ingenuity and creativity of Thai street vendors, their ability to transform simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. It's really a testament to the power of street food to connect people, to create a sense of community, and to tell a story through flavor. The ubiquitous presence of banana roti carts on Bangkok streets is a testament to its cultural impact. The popularity of banana roti has extended far beyond the borders of Thailand, introducing the world to the unique flavors and textures of this beloved street food. From bustling Asian markets to trendy food trucks in Western cities, banana roti has become a global phenomenon, a culinary ambassador for Thai cuisine. It's a testament to the power of food to transcend cultural boundaries and connect people through shared culinary experiences. The adaptability of banana roti has played a crucial role in its global reach. The future of banana roti is as bright and promising as the sizzling griddles upon which it is cooked. While the classic recipe remains a beloved staple, the innovative spirit of Thai street food vendors continues to drive its evolution, pushing the boundaries of flavor and creativity. The next generation of roti masters are experimenting with new ingredients, techniques, and presentations, ensuring that banana roti remains a relevant and exciting culinary experience for years to come. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comment section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.